Peter Obi breaks silence. I reject toxic obedience. This changes everything. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Depending on where you're watching us from, you're welcome back to BMS News. Ladies and gentlemen, Nigerians, we need to talk because something major just happened in Nigerian politics, and many people are pretending not to see it. Peter Obi has finally spoken. He said it clearly. I dissociate myself from those calling other leaders in the coalition bad names. These are criminal elements trying to hurt the Peter Obi brand. Let that sink in. Peter Obi has drawn a line. He's not against anyone in ADC. He's not against Atiku Abubakar. Neither is he against Rotimi Amechi. These are his elder brothers. And honestly, this is one of the most important statements he has made in a long time. We are going to break it down. But before we break this down, let me show you what really happened in Abuja yesterday. Peter Obi is coming. In case you are not hearing this clearly, Obi ADC, Obi ADC, Obi ADC. This is happening live in Abuja yesterday.
Today with the election FCC, I came to plead with you to support my party. It's happening in Super guys. It's happening. Ensuring that churches! I did! It will I say church? Last year. This man, think another son that should take I see. Yes, oh, thank you so much. They are blocking the road. They don't want them to go. He can die. People don't let them go. Don't let them go. This is game. Yes, we outside. We don't feel good killer.
Truly, a new Nigeria is possible. Now, let's get back to Peter Obi. For months now, we have watched something uncomfortable grow online. Every time coalition talks come up, every time another leader is mentioned, insults start flying, name calling begins, threatening, abuse, dragging families, dragging tribes, dragging everyone, all in the name of supporting Peter Obi. But here is the truth many don't want to hear. That behavior has been damaging the movement. Instead of selling ideas, some people choose insult. Instead of persuasion, they choose harassment. Instead of strategy, they choose noise. And political opponents have been watching quietly, smiling. Because nothing helps your opponent more than a divided, angry support base. Now, Peter Obi has stepped in to say enough. He called them what they are, criminal elements trying to damage his brand. Not critics, not passionate supporters, criminal elements. That's very strong. This tells us something very important about Peter Obi. He understands that leadership is not just about ambition, it's about discipline. Real movements are not built on insult. Real change is not driven by online bullying. Real leadership doesn't tolerate chaos. Let's be honest. You cannot be fighting corruption while behaving corruptly online. You cannot be demanding accountability while abusing everyone who disagrees. You cannot be preaching new Nigeria with old toxic behavior. Peter Obi is making it clear. If you truly support him, then act like him. Because every insult thrown at coalition partners, every reckless tweet, every abusive comment pushes undecided Nigerians away. You don't win election with anger alone. You win with structure, alliance, messaging, and maturity. And this is exactly what Peter Obi is trying to protect right now. The credibility of his movement. Some people think shouting the loudest means loyalty. No. Sometimes discipline is loyalty. Sometimes silence is strength. Sometimes respecting others is strategy. The coalition cannot succeed if supporters are busy burning bridges before they are even built. And Obi understands this. That's why he spoke. Let me say this directly. If you truly believe in Peter Obi, then stop embarrassing him. Stop attacking every other leader. Stop turning politics into street fight. Stop giving APC free content. Politics is chess, not boxing. You don't win by swinging wildly. You win by thinking ahead. Peter Obi is trying to build bridges. Some of his so-called supporters are busy setting those bridges on fire. That cannot continue. So, today's message is very simple. Peter Obi has spoken.
Criminals that are not obedient people. You don't see anybody who is calling anybody bad name. We are not asking for division. I personally do not in any way. You've never seen me call anybody bad name or anything. We are in ADC. We respect everybody who is in ADC. We can say, oh, we want to be this or want to be that. But as for calling people bad name, we are not part of it. I don't subscribe to it, and I'm not part of it. The people I met there, from the party chairman, is my very dear elder brother. People like Atiku are my leader, my respected elder brother. Amechi is my brother. We're very close. And so is El Rufai. Name them, all of them that are there. We're the same thing. You have Lely Moke, you have Governor Fatai, Oyegunu is our elder brother, Aribo Shola, these are my colleagues. So I cannot say anything bad about them. And those who are following me, I assure you, will not say anything bad about them. But you have some elements that are trying to introduce that in order to see if they can hurt the Peter Obi brand. We are talking to everybody. That is not what we should be doing in politics. Let's talk about out-of-school children. Let's talk about hungry Nigerians. Let's talk about unemployed Nigerians. Let's talk about insecurity. Our people are being kidnapped. 150 in a church, in a mosque, in everything. That should be our preoccupation.